Guys, we're gonna see what it looks like if I put my freaking phone in my fridge. Okay, so let's see. I just woke up, so yeah. I don't feel good. Alright, actually we're gonna flip it. Right. Well, I'm gonna post this on YouTube, so make sure, yeah, guys, like and subscribe to my channel. I'll try to make more videos, but yeah, that's it. Bye. I say bye. So when I say bye, you say bye back.